Hi YouTube, what I got here is some C3 Corvette gauges that I just got done designing, developing, and getting them all mint. As you can see here, I've got two boards that are white. I have one board that is green and one board that is blue. I also have a board that I haven't created yet. I'll show you guys this all on a bench test. This is my second run with this board. The original board that I had, I did not have the capability to dim the LED lights. It was an on-off kind of thing, and I wanted the capability to dim the lights. So I'm gonna go turn the garage light on, and then I'll let you guys see this thing in action. Got my creeper right there. I had to clean off the face. I built this one a year ago. So as you guys can see, I got my Corvette gauges. They're all in here. They're all working using the original OEM Corvette needles on both gauges that I've designed, developed. I am going to sell the faces individually. If anybody likes this clearer, easier to read face style, I did mock up a set with the face style. This oil pressure gauge, which is a slight bigger than the rest of them. So I tweaked it down to get it to as you see it here. I have one set without the unleaded fuel only, and the gas tank is down here, so they all match. The OEM original ones have the unleaded fuel only, so the wife was like, well, I like the OEM style look better, so that's the way we did it. I just wanted easier to read gauges, so that's the reason for the mock-up. Really haven't figured out a good price to sell these things at. I've got a lot of time in developing and stuff like that in this. Actually really happy it worked out just like I planned. Some trial and error to get my warning lights and everything the way I wanted them, and the new mock-up chip board that I have is really great, having the capability to dim the LED lights. Really like that. So with that being said, if I turn my key on without the car running, my check engine light will come on because it's sensing zero oil pressure because the oil pressure pump's not working. My battery light also will come on because it's reading that I don't have, I have the warning light coming on at, I believe it's 12.9 volts. Anything less than 12.9 it'll come on, and then I believe anything over 15.7 volts it'll shut off, or 15.5 it'll also come on. So it'll hit both the high-low. A lot of Corvettes on the C3s, they run about, I would say 11-12 psi when really warm. This is coming off the form. Mine personally doesn't run like that. I normally am at about 16 to 18 psi. So I have this one set on to where it comes on at at 10 psi. My my oil pressure check engine light will actually come on once it's at 10 psi. I also have it where it comes on if you have too high of oil pressure as well. The high temperature coolant on this particular board on my setup, I have it where it comes on at 204 degrees because my car should never hit 204 degrees. And then the high temperature coolant on as well, or engine temp, it'll also put the check engine light on. So the oil pressure and the oil temperature will affect the check engine light. As for the battery light, battery gauge, high temperature is right here with the high temp light, and then my fuel light is right here, and that comes on once it hits about 1/8 of a tank. I have this one set up to 3/16 of a tank because I don't ever run my car that low. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys see any suggestions or anything that you might want to see me do different on a gauge setup, mock-up, I know they sell like little sticker faces for, I don't know, I think when I was looking for the black faces, it was $60, and I really didn't care for the style, so I decided to design my own. And so if you guys want, these ones are actually stickers. They just literally overlay the original OEM gauges. This one right here, I can make it into a sticker, or I can make it into a panel board, just like you see here with LED dimmable lights, and send you guys a whole board separately, or a whole board put together with the servo motors and everything hooked up. Like I said, I'll post that into another video with the mock-up that I have, showing you guys it on a blue light wax screen, because that's the one that I have mocked up right now to calibrate it and test it out. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please let me know. Have any comments or anything like that, definitely drop them in. New radio will be coming in soon. It's going to be more of an antique original style, so everything looks modern but yet retro. So thank you guys for watching again. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah.